In the world of optics, precision is paramount. When light must be manipulated with absolute accuracy, engineers turn to optomechanics. This specialized field combines the delicate science of optics with the robust practicality of mechanical engineering. At the forefront of this exciting domain stands AGS-TECH, a company renowned for its expertise in crafting custom optomechanical devices and assemblies. From concept to creation, the company's skilled engineers and technicians work tirelessly to transform innovative ideas into tangible realities. Whether it's a complex scientific instrument or a crucial component for cutting-edge technology, AGS-TECH has the knowledge and experience to deliver. Their passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible in optomechanics has earned them the trust of researchers, scientists, and industry leaders worldwide. When precision and reliability are non-negotiable, AGS-TECH is the partner of choice for all things optomechanical. Optomechanics is the fascinating field where the ethereal nature of light intersects with the tangible world of mechanical design. It's the art and science of controlling and manipulating light using precisely engineered components. These components, known as optomechanical devices, form the backbone of countless technologies we rely on every day. Think of lasers scanning groceries at the checkout, fiber optic cables transmitting data across continents, or telescopes peering into the depths of the universe. All these technologies rely on optomechanical devices to function flawlessly. These devices can be as simple as a lens mount or as complex as a multi-axis optical scanner. As technology advances, the demand for more sophisticated and precise optomechanical devices continues to grow. This is where companies like AGS-TECH come in, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in optomechanics and driving innovation across a multitude of industries. AGS-TECH boasts a remarkable portfolio, a testament to their versatility and expertise in crafting custom optomechanical solutions. Their team has tackled a wide array of projects, designing and manufacturing devices that push the boundaries of precision and performance. AGS-TECH excels in beam manipulation, creating intricate beam expanders and beam splitters. These components are essential in telecommunications, laser cutting, and medical imaging. They also develop interferometers for precise measurements and etalons for optical filtering. AGS-TECH's expertise extends to complete optical systems and telescope assembly. Their work allows astronomers to explore the cosmos with clarity and precision. Section 4. Designing the future advanced tools for optical excellence. To maintain their position at the forefront of optomechanics, AGS-TECH relies on cutting-edge technology and software. Their team of engineers utilizes advanced optical design and simulation software to create and refine their designs before any physical prototypes are built. One of the key tools in their arsenal is ANSYS Zemax Optics Studio, a powerful software suite that allows engineers to design, simulate, and analyze optical systems with incredible accuracy. Optics Studio enables AGS-TECH to model the behavior of light as it interacts with their designs, ensuring that the final product will meet the most stringent performance requirements. In addition to Optics Studio, AGS-TECH leverages the capabilities of Code Vive optical design software, another industry-leading software package for optical design and analysis. By utilizing both Optics Studio and Code Vive, AGS-TECH can choose the best software for each specific project, ensuring that they're always using the most appropriate tools for the job. To bring their designs to life, AGS-TECH relies on SolidWorks, a leading computer-aided design software package. By combining the power of these advanced software tools with the expertise of their engineers, AGS-TECH consistently delivers innovative and high-performance optomechanical solutions to their clients. Section 5. Discover more, your gateway to custom optomechanical solutions. If you're seeking a partner to bring your optomechanical vision to life, look no further than AGS-TECH. Whether you require a single custom component or a complete optical system, their team of experts is ready to collaborate with you every step of the way. To delve deeper into the world of AGS-TECH and explore their impressive range of capabilities, visit their website at www.agstech.net. You can also contact their team directly to discuss your specific needs and discover how AGS-TECH can help you achieve your optomechanical goals.